Hello guys, welcome back to Ace Learning. So in this video we will see how can we find first non-repeating character using Java program. So consider this string s1 equal to KitKat. So in this video we will cover both cases, that is with case sensitive and with case insensitive. So first we will cover case sensitive case. So consider this string s1 equal to KitKat. Okay, and we are just passing this string into our find function which we have declared here. Okay, so in this what we are doing, we are just iterating converting this string into two char array. Okay, first so we will just take the or get the count of each character in the given string. Okay, so after that we will write main logic. So for that I have already explained this in previous video, how can we find out number of occurrences of each character. So you can refer that. Here I will show you, here I will explain you. For we will take the hash map, or if you want to store the insertion order, then you can use linked hash map and just iterate over that array. And if hash map contains that key, array of I, means array of I will be k, because we are converting into this two char array, that is this one. So array of 0 will be k. So if hash map contains key k, then put that k and increase it counts number of occurrence, and if it do not exist then just put that and then make the count 1. So like this, when you will iterate to for loop, it will store the count of each character occurrence. So once we are just printing this, and I will just run this program so you can get the better idea. So here you can see, as we are covering first case sensitive case, so it is showing k only 1 and small k1, and other are working fine, I1, T2 and A1. Okay, so now if you want to find first non-repeating character, so first non-repeating will be k only, because we have to find character which has having count 1 from the starting of the given string, so it should return k. Okay, so we will just write for loop here and remove this line. Okay, now we have entry set, so we will just check if entry dot get key equal to 1, and we will just break that if it finds one output, one value. Okay, so if entry, because we have entry set in this, entry dot get key value, okay, sorry, get key equal to 1. So what we have to do, we have to just I will remove these braces. So break, and before breaking just print that value key. Okay, now let's try to run first. Okay, I will remove this for loop. What happened? Okay, for entry, if entry dot get key equal to 1 dot, oh sorry, get value, it should print, sorry, because we are storing the count in get value, right? So it should print if entry dot get value equal to 1. So now it should print the output. Yeah, it has written k. Okay, so now this was for case sensitive. Now if we consider case insensitive, now if you want to consider case insensitive category, so first you have to do, before converting into char array, just write string, let's say any string s2 equal to s1 dot to lowercase. So it will convert whole string into lowercase, and it will now ignore the capital and small letter. And here you just have to mention s2 now. So it will convert s2 string, that is lowercase string 1, into array, so it will now perform operation on lowercase string. So once we get that, and what I will do, I will just move this break statement into if conditions. So it will be okay. Now if we run, so it is returning I. So let me show you with the help of debugger also, so you will get better idea. Okay, so I will launch the debugger now. So it has come to entry point, and if you see, entry has k2 because it is considering this hm.entry set, and hm contains k2, i2, t2, sorry, i1, t2, a1, because right now we have not considered case sensitive case. Okay, so entry dot get value equal to 1. No, it will not go in if loop. Then resume. Now entry has I equal to 1, so it will return 1, and also it will return the gate key and it will break the loop. So if we resume, yeah, so it has written I. So this is how you can find the first non-repeating character. And if you want to find first repeating character, okay, so let us try that thing also in this video only. Entry dot get value is not equal to 1. So currently we have entry, so let's try to run this. Yeah, it is returning same, like that is k1, non-repeating and repeating, sorry. So k has appeared 2 times, and it is first character which is appearing 2 times in this string. So let me change the string first. What we can give, okay, so it should return a, yeah, because a is repeating 2 times and it is the first character to appear as 2 times. So this is how you can find first non-repeating and repeating character. You just have to change not equal to 1, that is it will fetch the record which has count greater than 0 in the case first repeating character. So I hope you got the concept, and stay tuned for such other Java programming interview questions. So till then, subscribe to our channel AS Learning. Thank you.